Hi friends, Momo again here with another vlog. Welcome to Kidies Time 7. I'm in the city. Look at all the cars. Whoa, so many shops. Let's find bananas. I'm very hungry now. Look, yummy fruits. Excuse me, do you sell sweet bananas?
Yes, Mr. Momo, all bananas are sweet and yummy. You will love them.
These bananas look just perfect. Taste yummy. Got my bananas. Time to go home and eat. Hope you like this vlog. Till next time. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Kidies Time 7. Thank you for watching Kidies Time 7.